What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little knife unboxing to do with you guys. I know this package is from the Pass Around group, but I never know exactly what it is, so we're going to figure it out together. Whatever it is was provided by the manufacturer, so just wanted to disclose that. I would love to unbox this package with my newly acquired early Gen 4 XM18 3.5 inch with that old school Spanto grind on there. Fans of XM18s will know, they kind of changed up the grind on the Spanto between Gen 4 and Gen 6, but this is in S35VN. It's actually a very early model considering there's no milling on the inside of that relief cut. A really cool viewer actually gave me the opportunity to purchase this from him, and I gladly did so. It's got about a 50% lockup, very smooth, perfect centering, and it's running on phosphor bronze washers with some excellent action. I love that knife. Love that knife. Would love to unbox this with that knife, but sadly, as you all know, I am soul bound to the Rainbow Mermaid. So let's go ahead and get this open here. Awkward silence and the sound of cardboard being ripped apart. What on earth? Holy moly. Okay. So that just looks like padding. This has a whole bunch of stickers in here. Let's get these out and take a look at them. Shortcut Reviews stickers are in here. Zach stuff. Big Red EDC. I need a sticker. Everybody's got stickers except me. We got a Benchmade Big Red EDC, Big Red EDC, Big Red EDC. Big Red EDC really wants us to take a look at his channel. Some Steel Wheel stickers, more Big Red. Man, I gotta get a sticker. Okay. Anyways, what do we have here? We have a Wee knife. Oh, awesome. Awesome. And the pen too. Very cool. Man, that pen's cool. Okay, so this is a bolt action pen. Is that how that works? Yeah. That is awesome. Anodized purple. I know, we'll get to the knife. I want to get into pens. I don't have an EDC dedicated pen. So this is super cool. Come on, camera. Man, that's awesome. Okay, so there's the little bolt action switch there. Love that. Oh, man, that is really cool. Okay, we'll take a more in-depth look at this pen when we do the actual review. Let's take a look. Again, just like all these other ones, guys, I can never remember the name right then and there on the spot. But this, to me, actually, honestly, this is the action was amazing, by the way. This model was the most interesting model from Wee Knives this year to me. Now, I'm sure you're thinking, well, if it was the most interesting model to you, why don't you remember the model number? That is a fair question. I don't know, but I can assure you I will give you all of the details in depth when we actually review this knife. This is super cool. Here's why I thought it might be interesting. Yeah, you can do the reverse flick with that thumb hole. Let's try the standard thumb flick. Yeah, definitely. It's got good action. This is a really cool knife. I love bolsters. That's why I was so interested in this knife, and I love the carbon fiber on it. Backspacer looks pretty cool. Oh, loving that. Okay, really, really cool. Very excited to talk about that. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this short little unboxing. If you did, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. Thanks for watching and have a great day.